Greetings 3D printing lovers. Tostatronic has for you the assembly of the Creality CR6 S-E. This is a great 3D printer, possibly the Prusa killer we were waiting for. Only 8 screws are required for its assembly in less than 10 minutes. Maybe the best printer Creality has ever designed and the easiest setup we've ever had in our hands. As you can see, in this preview of our next video, the CR6 offers great print quality. We take the opportunity to invite you to the unbox of this printer, with the link shown on the screen. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. After unpacking, prepare the base and locate the 4M5 for 45 screws. The pre-assembled upper frame will be placed as shown on the screen. We suggest that you consider leaning on the filament box. The screws are installed from the bottom and go through the profile 40/40 of the base. Once in place, it is necessary to firmly tighten the screws. To avoid damaging the frame, rest one of the side posts on the box. It is ideal to tighten little by little in a cross way so that the adjustment is uniform. Now, with 2 for 10M5 screws we will place the screen. Do not forget to align and tighten firmly. The connectors are attached with a tape to the base. Peel off and install on the back screen. One of the most important upgrades of the CR6 is the 2-position filament holder. As we show you, it easily snaps onto the base profile. If you wish to change the dispensing position, simply remove the base, change the roll holder side, and replace. To finish the screwing stage, the handle, which they decided to add in this printer. We don't recommend that it be installed. Always try to move your printer from the base. Time to connect the motors and harnesses. Start with the optical sensor of the limit switch that is on the left side facing the printer. Attach and store excess inside base. Z has 2 motors. To avoid possible damage, try to verify that both are perfectly connected by pulling a little. Now please check that the power supply is set to the proper voltage for your region. And if you haven't, subscribe to our channel. It is the turn of the harness that controls the X motor, extruder and filament sensor. Press hard. Prepare the continuation of the harness and connect with the clips to the Teflon tube. Open the latches on the base and apply pressure to engage the connector. Finally, align the glass on the printer bed and remove the protector film. We appreciate your subscription to the channel. We say goodbye with the screen of the auto level function. Enjoy and share your creations in our social networks. Yo soy Dado Poderoso. Hasta la vista.